How to fix can't open camera, check your phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what we're going to do is tap on the settings of the device, and then all we have to do is go to the apps option over here, then tap on manage apps. After that, you can just scroll down to find the camera application on your device. So let's scroll down and tap on camera. Then tap on clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on clear cache and then OK. You can also delete all data if it's possible for you. Then tap on the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on the required options over here. After that, you can just go back and check on the updates of the device over here by going on to the about phone and then checking on any updates that is available on your device. Now since it says no updates available, we're going to go back and then tap on the power button and then tap on reboot and try to restart our device, and the issue might be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.